So when don't overcook the zucchini and leek, because then they go into the oven. So we are almost there. Okay, now phase 3. Let's prepare the last part of the recipe. So we are going to put all the zucchini in this one. Wait a moment, I'm going to keep my zucchini, take my zucchini. So, you put all your zucchini inside. The smell is good. Will you be able to see your mother? You know, Barbara, I'm very scared. I'm thinking because where I work at the main floor, there is the ER for COVID of Red Cross. So I'm not sure if I want to see her. Not sure. She's so in pain, poor woman. 2 months totally alone. My sister, she will go. Big hugs. Thank you. I'm a little bit scared. Thank you, you're very kind. You know, if I am asymptomatic, which is possible, if I have the virus, I can, you know. No, I'm not a doctor. I just work at the Red Cross in the offices. Yesterday I've done the documentation for the new license to drive ambulances. You're very kind. So, drop off a portion of that. Absolutely, I will do. So this is the result now. Yeah, I will go as a voluntary. You know, in the future, not now. What's in my favorite vegetables? Maybe zucchini, I don't know, leeks. Yeah, so a little bit of a very good olive oil. Right? What is that menu called? This is a quiche. You see, now to put this one inside the dough of the quiche. We are going to prepare, and then we will put this into the oven, and when it's finished, you garnish with your cherry tomato. So let me just taste a little bit. Very good. And this olive oil, I tell you, it's so good. Little bit more salt. 3-4 doses. Do you how to make zucchini yes, omelette, it's easier than this. This is a quiche. You know, you can put also, if you like, ham. You can cut ham and put little pieces of ham or bacon if you want something more, you know, energetic. And now we are going to garnish here. Let me see if I can show you what I am doing here. I don't know if you see this. Eggplant, yes. Yeah, I love it. The problem is maybe they melt a lot, and you need to not overcook the eggplants. It's difficult to see, but now let's go and put all these here. I like eggplants, yeah. I have a recipe for parmigiana, melanzane alla parmigiana, we call it, which is eggplant alla parmigiana. It's an Italian recipe, so good. So now I show you what I'm doing. Yeah, it's so now from Brazil. Hi, Italian from Milano. Now we are going to create the right shape, and we have to work with our hands this part. Parli brasiliano, no falo brasiliano now. Right, so we are going to work with our hands this part, right? Right. You can also do some particular shapes if you like. If you are artistic here, you can do a good job. Right? When pandemic ends, I want to travel to Italy. I want to travel to... I so miss my trips all around the planet. This summer is gonna be a working summer. Maybe we will go to another region. I can go, you know, to a summer house by the sea. Maybe, we are not sure yet. We are not sure. So, now we have done, let me clean my hands a little bit. So, this is the result for now. I come to Italy. You are staying in Italy, huh? Brazil. I love Brazil. Hello. So that's the final result. You see? We are going to cook in the oven this and for half an hour. The last 10 minutes with the hair, you put the modality of the hair. It's it's, I think it's going to be good. And when it's finished, ciao ciao. Questa è una live in inglese. Thank you for talking in English. Yeah, Italian people are asking why you speak English, why you don't speak Italian. You speak a horrible, awful English. Sorry, maybe my English is not the best, but I want to share with the entire planet, not just, you know, Italians knows a lot about food, no? Questa è la quiche, zucchine, leeks, che sono i porri, e poi ci ho messo sopra, invece della besciamella, ricotta, e poi ci metterò sopra i pomodorini cherry tomato. Your English is better than my Italian. So, questa è la quiche. This is the quiche. Inside 3 eggs, 4 zucchini, 1, grazie de phenomenal, grazie, 1 leek. I like leeks, guys. I really love leeks. I prefer leeks than onions. Italia o Francia? We are in Italy, in Milano. The crust, this is, I've bought it, you know, they have it already. You can do your own dough. If you have the machine, the Imperia machine, which is a machine, you just can do your own dough. when you have time. Today I didn't, but sometimes I use, you know, the Imperia machine. It's called Imperia. It's a machine to make pasta. Very easy. You just need the ingredients. You make your own dough, and then you can use it. Very good. Yeah, I recommend this, but you know, one day of holiday. How do you translate courgette? Zucchini. Courgette is zucchini, I guess. Yeah, zucchini. Now we are going to put this for half an hour in the oven, and merci, no, de rien. Sing in Italian because I'm an opera singer. Wow, very good. I like opera. But the dough through the pasta machine. Put the dough through the pasta machine. Yes, yes, Barb. One day I will do the scope. I will show you. You prepare all the dough. You put it in the machine, and the machine.